In this video, I'm going to show you how to view aged payables in Wave. Start by heading to your Wave dashboard. Once there, click on the Reports option from the left-hand side menu. After entering the Reports section, scroll down until you reach the Vendors section. Here, you'll find the Aged Payables option. Click on it. This report helps you see how much money you owe to your vendors or suppliers. At the top, you'll notice the As of Date field. By default, it's set to today, but you can change it to view data from a different date if needed. The report will display a list of your vendors along with the amounts owed. The first column, Not Yet Overdue, shows bills or invoices that still have time before their due dates. The following columns represent overdue payments, categorized by how long they've been pending. For example, one of your bills might still be within its due period, while another could already be overdue. At last, you'll see the total unpaid amount, which gives you a full picture of how much you still owe and how much of that is overdue. This helps you track your liabilities and manage your cash flow effectively. You can also export this report if needed by clicking the Export button at the top right of your screen, and that's how you can view and analyze the Aged Payables report in Wave.